U-Certify offers Networking Essentials 5th Edition Labs for IT network practitioners, so start your prep for Networking Essentials 5th Edition Labs from today with U-Certify. Networking Essentials 5th Edition Labs cover networking concepts such as physical layer cabling, interconnection of LANs, switch and router configuration. In the U-Certify course, you'll be receiving 8,760 hours of online content. The labs have 117 performance-based labs to supplement training by stimulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you'll receive the certificate of course completion from U-Certify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand aspects of network security and troubleshooting. Learn the concepts such as TCP, IP, and routing protocols, cloud computing, and virtualization. To explore more about the U-Certify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/networking-essentials-5e-lab.html. You can call us on 1415-763-6300 or reach us by an email at sales@ucertify.com.